Yes, it is still permissible to take off from the meter to the rear house without a disconnect for the rear house mounted on the front house for residential applications. NEC Section 230.72b2 states where a service consists of multiple service entrance conductors supplying a branch circuit panel board or meter for two or more buildings or other separate load entities, there shall be a disconnecting means installed at each branch circuit panel board or meter. There is an exception to this rule. The exception states for multifamily dwellings and other premises where each service entrance conductor supplies only one building or load entity, a disconnecting means installed at the point where the service entrance conductors terminate shall be permitted to serve as the disconnecting means for the building or load entity. In the given scenario, each service entrance conductor supplies only one building, one for the front house and one for the rear house. Therefore, the disconnect at the point where the service entrance conductors terminate, which is the double meter enclosure, is sufficient. There are some additional considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure that the underground conduit and wiring are properly sized and installed. Secondly, provide proper protection for the underground wires from damage and moisture. Thirdly, comply with all applicable local building and electrical codes. It is also important to note that while it is permissible to do this for residential applications, some utility companies may have specific requirements or restrictions. It is advisable to check with the utility company before proceeding with the installation.